Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are a new online tutoring program called Deluxe Thinkers. In this video, we are going to show you how to use our new program and our website. First, let's go to our website. The link is in the description. Once you get to the website, you can see that it is very easy to navigate. As you see on the home page, we specialize in kids that are in 8th grade and below, and that need help in math and science. However, the most important part is that our state-of-the-art program is free. The only thing you need to do is submit your question and we will answer. Now let's move on to our next page. This page talks about why we created Deluxe Thinkers. The answer is pretty simple. It is because we like to help people. That's it. Our next page is one of the most important pages on our site. This page shows how to use our service. This is also very straightforward. As you scroll to the bottom, you can see the Google form that is attached. Just click on this and fill out the form. After you fill out the form, we will see your answers and we'll get back to you via email. The next page of our site talks about our services. We offer 3 services: a study plan, the single question helper, and the multiple question helper. You can view these in more detail on our website. Finally, we have the About Us page. We are current 8th graders that want to help. Go to our website if you want to read about us. Our website is linked in the description. Please take a second to view our website, as we really appreciate it. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you consider using Deluxe Thinkers.